Let's talk about debugging a Dart web app using IntelliJ. The first thing I want to do is a regular pub serve. So this is just a terminal in IntelliJ. So I'm running pub serve on localhost 8080 in my customer folder. And let's refresh this page. And it's a very simple web page. I've got two customers. I've got their name, age, and wealth. And I have a merge customers that I want to merge these two by the longest names, oldest age, and most wealth. So you can see that it's merging the name as I'd expect, but age and wealth is broken somehow. So I would like to debug this. The very first thing to debug using IntelliJ is you have to add the IntelliJ Chrome plugin. So in Dartium, I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store and I'm going to search for the JetBrains IDE support. So I'm just going to type JetBrains and search, and you can see it here as an extension, and you add it to Chrome. I already have it added to Chrome. You can see the little JetBrains icon up here. So once you have that added, you need to add a run configuration in IntelliJ. So let's come up to Edit Configurations, add a new one, and it's actually a JavaScript debug configuration. I imagine this will get changed to Dart debug configuration, but for now it's using the same technology as the JavaScript one. So let's call this the customer, and the URL is going to be that same exact URL. So PubServe is still running this, and I'm going to hit the customer URL. The browser will be Dartium. So now let's go ahead and set a breakpoint in IntelliJ and hit debug. So it reloads my tab. I have a breakpoint, and we can start looking at what's going on. So you can see Bruce Willis is down here in the variables. You can see his properties all look correct. John McClane, he looks correct. You can run the line. So here you can see nothing printed out. This one's about to write Bruce Willis to the screen. Let's run that line, and you can see Bruce Willis is on the tab. So it's working pretty much how you would debug everything else you have using IntelliJ. So let's go ahead and set a breakpoint in my click handler. I'm going to hit play. So now I can come to the tab and hit merge customers, and it stopped here. So again, let's check Bruce Willis. He's not messed up. John McClane, he looks correct. My merge customer is null, and let's run that line. So merge customers now, you can see, okay, his age and wealth is wrong. So somewhere in the merge, he's getting mixed up. I can actually just kind of drag merge customer to the watches, so then I don't have to open him again and see. So let's rerun this, and let's step into merge. You can rerun this by actually refreshing the Chrome tab. So all I'm going to do is refresh, and then what you'll see is it's stopped at this breakpoint again. So it's kept the debugger connected. I didn't have to do anything in IntelliJ. Let's turn that breakpoint off and hit play. Merge, and now let's step into this merge. So here's my merge method. You can see first name, last name, and then let's jump down here to the oldest age, and clearly oldest age is getting set to 0. So I had that messed up. Let's go ahead and fix that. So now they're both doing max. Let's rerun it again and see what happens. To rerun it, you can also rerun it in IntelliJ with this button. So this is the stop debugger and rerun. It's also Control F5, so that makes it really easy to reuse. So let's use that one. Reloads my web page. Let's hit merge customers. Let's go ahead and let's remove this breakpoint from my customer and go back to main. So you can see merge customer age and hit next one. So now his age is 59. So now it's working as you'd expect. So if I go ahead and hit play, awesome, merge customers is merging correctly. So it's that simple. I want to show you a couple extra tricks that you can do with the IntelliJ plugin. You actually can use the console like you would with the Chrome console down here. So what I'm going to do to show you this is I'm going to go ahead and print something to the console here. And so I'm going to simply, let's do it here, rerun this, print the merge customer's age to the console. Let's click merge, and you can see in the console tab you see this print line, merge customer age 59. So this is where all your loggers are going to go. But I can actually type in the console down here. So if I type merge customer.age, it's going to print 59 just like in the Chrome console. On top of that, I can actually change things in here. So if I wanted to just try something and change his age, and then I can hit play, you can see now his age is 12. So you have a lot of tools here from the IntelliJ debugger that works with Chrome and Dartium really well. It makes it a very powerful tool. That is debugging a Dart web app in IntelliJ, and I will see you guys in the next one.